Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Dagi spangut ki samla puli ki bangat Center St. Mary's Mazzarello Higher Secondary School Jowai harengkat kajing senran lang jong ki Kmie ki pa. Kilawan tur kensan siya ke school haka hendre teriku jemang arajar arpusau pan penpau ya kajing Bitar halor kajing bakla ka Rukom aikot Jingkylli haka Eksamin Neet haka tega center ya gani ke Eksamin la kot penlong deka NTA haka san teriku jemang arajar arpusau. Kisamla kibele konye gani ke exam habaya keren bat kila pathai khubor kila kenno bakaladon gajing Thurmur halor gajing penyat ya ke Eksamin ha Jowai Center badai ha St. Mary's Mazzarello Girls Higher Secondary School Jowai kila kenno ru bagajing Thurmur kalalong nado ke Rukom ai ki Jingkylli bat ke Rukom shim ya ki admit card halor kani ne kala ki kena ke be konye gani ke Eksamin kila ai de gajing tho show controller jong ka Neet Lingba ke center bala pa kopi ru show menteri jong ketenat pulih putih ke jilla nangta show deputy commissioner but kiwei.
The question here have a OMR sheet what they are going to kabakin correct iki OMR sheet joki kalong as per the question kabaki yo yaka booklet ka question kabaki talk yes no suppose menta ka booklet number joki ka day m yes no ne Kadai M, listen. Nada kadai M, kamu pijubak as per your booklet number. Day name fi fill haka OMR sheet, right? La fill ya katu baru kuat apa OMR sheet. So minta ala deki correct ya katu ru in pekbek ya ka question paper jo katu ka booklet number M. So tu wait. Kinom correct ya ka question number Q lane P lane O.
Is that the series for MNOP is officially given by the NT or what? Because there are two types of questions. One for PWD, one for not.
See what the nodal officer told me. Some places they get A, B, C, D. And in I asked
Snap.
Their series is A, B, C, D. It's the same whether it is D, E, F, G. Or HIAGK.
It's not the same, that's the problem. That's the problem. We show the question.
The series.
Which system is showing?
They have convened this meeting with the principal. So we as parents, you all as students, we are very worried about the situation. Like everybody want to solve the problem. Like on my side also, like I'm having the same purpose. We want to solve the problem. Actually, what is more concerned, like the student want to know what type of paper they are writing. As someone says there are two types of paper, that is for disabled and for normal student.
Yes.
The main problem here, like if a normal student get the paper of a disabled, so what he will do after he pass the exam? From where he get that disabled certificate. So from the management, I request and I pray that they should take this issue.
Yes,
If at all they have a mistake on this, they have to take this issue to the higher authority.
So now minta ngila so to ka jing yung berpi prepare the question. Anyway, kani tie namar ba sister in charge tang haganika center mo tiende me I ba le ki dokmiya je ka exam na dong hadong kidon ki ninum la ban tip ya kani kidon ki bahalor kabor ko bahalor dokmiya kidon ki no love so ko long my sister ide petang ya kani ka center hang ya ko Jowai snap shua da ke ai ka bagi ai ki ha nang dei ki sister ipenyan dei ya kata ha da ko mom la da ki ha ya ka ai ru ka ki ha ki sister issue save it issue I be check student in your class imla ban play shua ha ka tu ka exam ha ka tu ka si ba tho ha ka tu hakmat jong ki ha ban play ya ki question paper te na ta ka daw la da ki don ka no problem na ta ngong I be ka way ka jingtho mo chapo NTA okay tang kata bila de bai
I don't think that the student has to give the presentations to the NT. I think the designated center should take this issue because it is where we go until we get information from the designated center.
Yes.
It's not the problem of the student, it's the problem, I don't know where this problem lies. Okay, so wait. So as parents of the students which are affected, it is really very sad issue because it's not that the question which they give in, maybe that is reshuffle and all, that is not an issue. The issue here now is two set of papers and two different types of questions, which it is happens only here in Meghalaya only, particularly the designated center of Jowai, but there's no others in the states. So why this is happening? We want to know the issue, whether this question which they have written is valid or not. Yes. From where we know that only the designated center has to take the issue. It's not that the student.
Okay, listen. Sister will take up the issue, but then she needs something in writing. How will she know what problems you all are facing? Wait. What problem the parents are facing? Ki student come because you all are writing, so you know. It's not that.
Yes.
Step come baham pi. Bakla hai don't you bakla hai biang hai step come baham pi ki nong to. Sister inum tip. Ini datang nong penyan nong pensami ke you. Mo inum tip. Tapi I ko ki talk but ini ki problem si bang ilam. Sister will forward from her side head. Yes, no. From the center is sister in forward chaka NTA, but these are the problems we are facing in our center. Yes, no. Kumda kay, tulay minta sister in tip ka problems you bring here. Then give us like hangip ya dan, ay tangay i paper. Kita di bangilap di bambiang, nomor tip baham pi di bato.
Nomor tip jadi Jingkylli di melawan check track.
Melawan check.
Tayo ini Jingkylli lihat classroom. We do not know what type of questions were there, whether it was the same for all or different from one series to the other. We were not allowed to open, so we don't know what type of questions. The students.
How can say kita pak you kita paper lagi pak you ping ma go stem ma pak you. Yes, the main question is that we want the clarification about whether that the question we have given the exam is correctly.
It's correct.
Given.
It's not correct. It's correct.
It's correct. Then what is the problem? Why we are coming? That's what.
Problem to be can go one hanging.
No.
How Iwan ini nanti lagi memang officially anam view tahu itu.
Can you guarantee that it is correct?
Already guarantee kita hoy.
Can you guarantee it? At least guarantee it that it is correct. If you do not guarantee it,
If the
how can
clarification is, then we'll
how
go.
can we have faith on you?
Listen, the only way we can control.
So we are requesting you to approach the NTA from the center. That's why.
Sister will approach being in charge.
From your part.
Data kada iong I jingko hai in forward mai nakaliang jung from the center. In forward no he immediately marching your jingko na piking dia. Ba kiong kita ki question jung ki don barokan I jingko dia hai sister in forward no immediately now bikin your action.
Whoever has filled orange in the attendance sheet, we cannot change, so you can write that. There's no problem. You can write that answer. And those who have not taken the orange sheet, we said you can write that pink. But actually, when I called the nodal officer, he said there's no difference. You can either fill in the orange or in the pink. So we have said
Partiality. If we get two set of questions, one difficulty level, one week.
Yes.
And some will have advantage on.
that is not under my problem, my dear students, because
Sometimes we want you to.
How are set question paper yo? Orange maga pink maga man yo. Itu Tawai le, mana tapi base for ga tu go be.
Even
Extra time ni ma just 3 hours 20 minutes. Ne bang yo for just pasang pada because next time game ma. Extra time.
wait, during the 5:20. Pardon?
Complain kena kat orang ini rule. Ini rule. Our instruction na tayo to that.
Regarding the admit card, I said it is a change. Okay. They
Okay,
change.
question number.
The question paper, see the question paper, I have no control, it's under seal.
Kesantar pun lagi tu. Kiwi itu yang kau itu. Mau ke NTA mau answer question ni.
But you raise the question.
Let us the question wrong if it-
Sikap tu question.
requesting you to approach the higher.
No, whatever you answered, we said the same. We did not change that.
So, sister, we are requesting you to approach the higher authority for the clarification for the paper whether it is correct or not.
Okay, wait. Nasa daw ang lado mana, ladang ya keren hang ni kampoi syai tu ya. Namar baru ki Jingkylli kini kita ini yo lut na syate na ko NTA. So the best solution is give sister in writing. Sister will forward it to NTA. That is the only option we have. Yes, no? Okay. That is the only option.
To kanai nga kat no jai question paper ya. Ini color. Rostem merong pink. Rostem rosso.
The police will talk about the color campaign.
Then for examine, bon ki kena saya tu. Ang main problem to three problem mo. They say the problem was the first problem to confusion in two different set of papers. One is QRST, which is officially used by the NTA, and the second is the MNOP, which we cannot find anywhere in the internet or any news also. And the second problem is the delay in timing of starting the exam, as many students complained that 30 minutes were taken just before the exam. And then the third is about the admit card. They didn't collect the admit card after the exam, and later on by 9 p.m. or like that, I came to submit my admit card. So that is the three main issues. So from our side, from the student side, the main issue we want to highlight is that we want the clarification whether it is officially released by the NTA or it is some glitch or I don't know what happened in this, maybe because it's happened only in this center, and I heard some news in Manipur, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu 1, 2, 3, but that's not officially. But here we have experience officially, so that's the main problem.
Ngày vi asai kwa jing thia mo yo phi kawa arji rong sang exami ta kawa de gi mo arji ko booklet ko arli ko armo arli gi mo confuse nong wan atem sai go wi man atem gi go wi the de kawa so pa minute in the midway te ong no gi ho ga ni ko arpi ko bakla gi go wi de te mo so pa minute de le ko por no tu tuk sedang dewi te sedang yang ini sepai report mana dia me report kita sang 3 minit te sepai ko por sai te
Why more clarification mo to bakla na center mo bakla na NTA mo to where the call mo match in the exam le to nga to the to last year te kwa moในภาค last year อีthe to i the chim be ki ak admit kanแต่มันเสียพละมาไม่เล่มชิมกีดมิดการนั่นรอในแต่ละลีเซียนโซเซียนตะกลีพอ exam hall ไว้เล่มชิมพีมอกดมิดการกลีมกลีงาท่านกลีมกลีอยู่ตุกแม่ออกไว้เล่มชิมพีในภาคอีกัดชูถอยและชิมไว้ก็มันดิสบิทพีอาร์ตลีกเปเปอร์เป็น confuse พีอีขนาดระดับงาระดับทอกับเปเปอร์องดีบุกระไรมั้งตั้งว่ามันระดับเอาทอแต่มาชิเต็นทอสามันกิสกุยองกีหับสวิตช์พิชกตุแต่ตะกี้น้องเป็นลายองสวิตช์แต่หับสวิตช์น้องอีขนาดกัดว่าในอุติปีแต่หมดอีวีต่อหับว่าอุติบุบกลานใน NTA มาบุบกลานน้องกีเป็นลายมาซะแต่ตอนตั้งอีมาตั้งว่าดีเลย์แต่วันกีดีนิวีการวิญญาณกิเลสเส้นและวันกิเลสเส้นโซเซียนซันเซน do ga thamile ga left thamile one ki so sen san sen mut mem ye hab no wa ji te le chi sen press be he tu ra sen le the one gi bet one gi one sang ge tu we have to danga awai tu kama man have to sang ni ra mti ba ma boy da one sang gi la din ta ki le tangwa I le kena I chua tho I kwa concentrate mem kwa di distraction wo one pi wo pen wit yang pi say tu wo one and pi ong one pi sang ni say sen na kwa I mut le le pi ka di le pi le mut smooth ma le one pi chi sen da pi ta da biang boy pen out day a na lo nai te whiskey time mi kam 30 to 40 minutes one gi chi bet out gi nei tu ban mem man professional that jing sket to man professional to man smooth everything le igi student le I once le dang tho mem kwa distraction one yang pi say sen ong yang pi all you have to change the paper change to the weave of the paper I le kwa I were whole year prepare kwa I know thought they man young they were east now you can make answer were correct forget about the result ma you can take result thought belai dah tu tip kat kami prepare yang we kena that in Jowai you can help young thought this is not right need talk him seriously thought need to decide your career yang ite wara em give the source name list name prepare need ki em kwa ki kam ni te man le da 1 year waste is nem pi dau kui nei jo bete le kita go dang tho le this is the first experience le da kam new experience first ki em sia hem hope de ki nang tho ar sin le sin denga le jo hi le da kam ni dang kam new ja first attempt dau lose hope au tho yang sai sin te mut ye igi would drop le wow would em expect ikan ni whole year struggling stressy 1 week of stress dang mut ito your relief na ma dadap ke exam one yang say stress kam ni mut em satisfied te wa I de le I then lo nei te le ikan mi to ye gi le sin le kam press ma tham ye be ki press like all in one like one ki sin press not hai thau ar sin hai thau go wo le I ar sin one ki sin press go we don hi sheet one yang ki say sin yo press go we sheet they wait pen klur mar go ma you can na gam tu we were the pen we cha ki time yong I our did ka bel the to pen submit paper to I la dan ki at least 20 minutes 10 minutes how ki for yong ki tem to yong I students I once the paper was distributed the lay kam ram yong I we fill the paper the lay the solve you right ki one pan auri one pen klur mari the ile like deserve you yoga the extra timing mem to one kita man hab wadi submit na lo nei tele ka admit card yang I kali ma kam ngal le do ju tho kali on man like is it to sket wo so ga chinga kan admit card for sigi like third like 3 times kam tele em so sen san sen for sigi wo chim gi ma ga admit card yo suki ile je chim gi le de mem kan ga le tang po ga answer script le suk mesin di ban mana po hagi lembin gi chim mana po chiung yo akala na gi lak yang ma gi em kam submit kata ga admit kan ngada phone gi lak gi tho cha asam gi tho shlong kaman whole process yang pi man ni tho exam pi em ma distribute ki atri gi paper em ma admit kan mem chim gi yang ki smooth ha mem jing auri mem jing lor mar mem jing huri ha manila ha I ma jagam ni mut ila em kita gi klur mar mut ntip ine wo kala gi neki mo em ben yu yang mem I wani he ni mem kwa yu auri mem kwa yu yemai I wani de akor mo kala ki por light submit yu admit card in mid le de akor re buram ong mo ne ha woro gi to chim gi ka kan wele he im chim gi de ong gi I em bo ong ngam em yo em he te por em wo ong kita gi blue ong gi tu gi admit card pile chim gi ga le okle chana gi that is not right mem toy wa to ong gam te I gam ni kena thang wait man sin man ong gi kle chana I le whole year prepare yo kle chana gi ma gi for me la the panda for me le we pay for that form the panda whole year open waste na lot ga te boy sa pa lang waste ong gi kle chana it hurts no students hurt but ki parents come tam gi would pun with the hope your life to exam ki kon your center pen Jowai would jan mlai awi yo mi ni yung la rap slam yo chong cha dei would jai relax manajian kam ni ki le ki plim suk le ki kam suk ki kon thia ki be pa lam suk le ki thia ite sa mun ki jingdwa kam ki students to check gi like bekla yang ke skor ma bekla clarity i wani sekian i wani stop ma wala to I wo ye la yo rewrite yang ka exam
em yang ini Rukom penlai kita hari ni nedok ke question paper hadok kita timing kita thoi le kita timing kita thoi hai sab thoi to RJ tangkat ho yo tho chi RJ Ashton Khasan ngam to yo tho extra time lam MDA ki ma the we ka question paper to ka we dan hi ka series so em ko PQRST the we le mi atli question paper I ku question paper yo I MNOP the ka whole India yo ku PQRST nang QRST the ki kate yo gi tangwa I we le mi gam kate ka atli gi ne pha ki nang kai le da ong I kwa yu tho da ni ka series yang QRST mah tangwam em ngai ki ong gi phe tho da tu rong so la hoi ne bha em rong stem rong so te I kwa yu tho em ki khana gi kwa tho rong stem tangwam e ri gi sa te em ro ki khana gi wa de dap tho yu tu rong stem tangwa kini en gi ka paper gi pen tho gi de rong so the chim sna phi nei te la chim por gi nang the extra time na mem e gi te em ro ki khana gi wum em ha ka tu ka mana em signature mana dep you sign the em kam you tho gi ka timing te ka timing lab em gi khana gi em tho ta em biang instruction gi la hai ni nei pha ka em ha ka admit card le nei pha em ro hap sign ni te kam tu ka across photograph ka te lam em ong gi lam em gi wa ong gi te gi khana gi dang tho thme ti gi te gi khana gi lam em khana gi wa tho rem de tai gi te khana thme te kim tip gi pli khana thme nang te kwa I le something da ni ki sarkar the chim bang khara yong I la to wa ma the chim por ha for whole year the waste gi for 1 year ma the em hara gi tho so sen the sia phi waste hai por gi nang prepare gi ye kan ni de the way ba le to ba yo I ga question paper ko biang hi tam pheri ma we yo I le ga question paper ki buklu mar gam ga te ka MNOP ko wa support khar mem gam ga te sia klu mar asa the kwa you le sarkar something the either rewrite ga exam na mo kaman se to ni ta kam yo hi ki support kha ga PQRST the chi even we le yo I ga buka MNOP buka PQRST tem tip em ki khana ki wa kwa tho da ko real lam cha gi nang hi kai be man I we do to man da ong gi nang hi kai wan man pen bet gi tem bin gi te mem accept ki te om bi ki to de instruct ki gam ni de ap ki I khian te phi te so sa jai
first of all I came to inside the exam hall after the bell ring he given the question paper first one with the red one OMR sheet after 20 minutes he even after that he given that blue OMR sheet exam paper that he told again after 20 minutes he told that return back that one question paper so that you have to attempt only one question. Then I told that actually my mode of question paper that is Hindi but he given me in English paper means nearly 50 minutes he wasted our time even the teachers who come as invigilator that was also inexperienced. He don't know how to take an exam, how to take an attendance. Even every students have make mistaken there, even in attendance also.
and this is your first attempt no?
Yeah, no, this is my third attempt. Even in the classroom also, I raise a voice against that. There is a very big mistake happened here, but she take my words very lightly. Even with the principal, even all the teachers, I asked him, this is not the way you are taking the examinations to the students. This is totally wrong with the students because every single minute for the students, that's a valuable thing. Even a single marks is very useful for students. By single marks, maybe you get a medical college, or by single mark, you may be not getting any medical college. So that you must be raise a voice against this exam because these things will give you the only rising voice you will get your exam reconducted. Otherwise, maybe no one will raise your voice. Okay. That's only.
Nungkong itu pun pau ika jing sango ya ke MTA ko i kani galat yo pandak kan ke distrik yang i nrai hadin wori yo kani galat pen yo pen bani da ka ko do jingkermen pen bani ki kon ki kti ki i baru kam te i snyau man snyau rem yo to man no kami hadin wori de thok gi exam yang ki te mi kan ram yo ongi wa ki invigilator depan ni ki admit card yang si henry em ke confusionan har di kita contradict no wa em ki invigilator no ngi mem card taru kam te hadu khale ste ni me irang yang hen ni ko kit kena wo submit kate to ngam wo pen confuse ki ni ki kena skor bo di ila kam jo ki be ki pa wan ni
cái chính quan trong ý này kam ki be ki pa ngal em ki committee yang nga ku wan tho exam niในดาวมันเพื่อยุ่งขนาดว่าแค่ต้องคิดว่าฉันนักวิจารณ์แต่ในที่ดาวอินเดียพูนเนี่ยมันไปปราบke bayi pa with nas school di wan ini kamu tes kau stage hat di wan ini di penbaik dia kelam ini sistar mana pun itu mana keli ki wasnya kelai opi kene ke sentar ini mana keli ki jing keli gotok na tai tilam tipu ke jubakแต่หากที่ในที่เรียนบัญชีหันไปยาวป่วยเท้าชนุนจริงๆครับบัญชีอยู่กับเด็กป้าได้ลาดกี่หากโทษอีกวิสิทธิโทษสิทธิแล้วตัววิเยแต่ประคัดลังกันนี่ว่าจริงๆมีคนอยู่ไอ้ประคัดไปชิสนำคนหลุดสเตปในบรรดาคนเคร่งกอดที่ขนาดเลยในมันป่วยนี่วันมันเอาโทษอยู่ที่อาร์ตลีที่ประชาkami kerum yuk arti kami yuk kami, dari kibun ni kiwa kat kami tu jam ini, kesan yuk kita gumto, mana pagi lagan Neet, mana pagi lagan sarki kini ki jenjang institut gua ada sol kiwa lagan sarki, dari jam ini gua bun perdi yang kamu kan yang ngalai bu, tu udah ketika kesan gua man sampil ni, man kamu tiga mock test nang, jadi tidak man iwa wan ini. เอาลายเชียมนี่ประคัดลังนี่ก็จริงเองมีคนที่อยู่แต่ว่าว่ามันประเดี๋ยวเป็นอย่างที่ที่yang bernet ada address cerita ada ayo piwa membaca jingkrik kam dari dong ini ke sentar wa kile ya rapi bo pai kan di situ cerita aja sambil